Wasn't that cool how I faded in? Yeah, it probably was. Oh yeah, check out the cool shades. I'm sorry to say, can't use those cool shades or too distracting. Well, let's get down to business. you know what Benjamin Franklin says?
A video a week keeps the doctors away.
That's completely incorrect. For one thing, it's an apple and it's supposed to be a day, not you get the picture. I'm trying to do a video a week. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah. Oh yeah, check out the cool shades. What just happened? Okay, yeah, I'm doing a video a week, and, yeah. I'll be gone for a week, and I'll make a really long video. And what do you think about my shades? These flippin' awesome shades. Do I wear these or these? These or these? These or these? Post a comment below what you think. If you don't have an account, Johnny West out.
Kane is in the building, nigga.